and she could jump in right there.
Whoa, that is awesome.
That's too deep for you, baby.
That one's really deep, Eliana.
I'm gonna go down.
Come
on,
over
baby.
here. Come over here and show us where Ellie can go, babes.
But Ellie, she can go over there.
Ellie, Gab, you can go down.
Ooh, could go down all three. Oh my goodness, that would be so much fun.
I just put her in the water. Come on.
Come on.
Which one is it going? I don't know.
Hey, Ellie. It's not. Oh, it's grass up there. Uh-oh, careful.
No, I don't know.
Don't go head first.
Do it.
Don't go.
Oh.
Ellie, you gotta get, you
Family
be careful,
fun.
baby.
First day back to homeschooling. You happy? First day back to homeschooling? Yeah. 2 thumbs up.
I will give it a 10.
A 10.
I'll give it 2 10s.
It's a good surprise.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Good surprise, girls. All right. Happy girls. Wow. Yeah.
Well, this is all rocks, so that's why I was like not going like okay. I just have to do it right here. I think right here first.
Okay.
Like it, see?
Yeah. What? Not too far, Mama, because it's deep. Go ahead. Kick, 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 kick. Good job.
I'm gonna do that. It's so much fun.
I know, but this is very deep, baby. We'll come back again, and we'll come better prepared. We'll have floaties.
For my birthday.
Ooh, an inner tube, yeah, buddy.
For my birthday, I'm gonna go back.